Hello viewer, we are using the designs, need an exposure there, add an offset, use the gamma correction here. Let's use the pattern stamp to make the border around it. So try a paint here. Let's find it. We will use the designs here. Select the curve to make changes into this shape and a picture. Keep on editing. So we will use that history brush tool and remove the effects we have done over the picture here.